All right, so this is a room tour of room 12236. It's a junior suite on Allure of the Seas. And again, that's deck 12, room 236, junior suite, Allure of the Seas. You can see where we're at down here. And down here, it's good, it's near the hump. I'll show you that in here. We come in here to this beautiful room. And this is a junior suite again. It's a beautiful room. It's plenty big for us. I'm going to start out here and then we'll come back to the bathroom and closet. You can see we have the big bed, king size bed. It's actually two beds put together. You can always separate. They do have a curtain, a privacy curtain. That curtain does extend out across the length of the room to have your privacy. Over here for the bed, we have two nice small little nightstands here on both sides. We have the phone over here. I will point out that one of the things I already see is that there are no outlets. I realize that Allure is a little bit of an older ship for the Oasis class. There are no outlets here. And there are no outlets on the phone. There's no USB ports on the phone. So keep that in mind for if you need to charge anything or keep anything by your phones or by your beds. For phones or anything like that, there are no outlets here. Looking back from this side, a spacious little sitting and living area here leading out to the balcony. And all this room over here, you can see where you can sit in front of the mirror and do your makeup, or put your laptop here and do computers. Now we do have more outlets here, but just a few. As you can see what's here. You have more lighting too. That'll light things up. We do see the coffee maker here. The coffee maker is here because the outlet is here. I think during the day, I will probably maybe move the coffee maker over a little bit. They have this, which of course is outdated now, this type of charging area here. As you can actually see that it actually has the bigger ports here, which most devices don't have anymore. And of course, upon entry of the room, you get all your paperwork from Royal Caribbean. We got the waters, and we had a bottle of champagne. I will point out here that the cooler for the room is right here. One of the things is the door is actually hooked to the back of the cabinet door, which was nice. And that is just a cooler, not a refrigerator. There's lots of space. All these drawers. Oh, the hair dryer is here in this top drawer. Lots of space, though, lots of drawers to go into. And even here where the mirror is at, there's more space to put things and unpack. I love this little seating area with the sofa, the little chair, little table. It's going to be a great place to sit and relax during the cruise. And again, more space in this cabinet. Lots of space to put things. And we have the safe that you can have and put everything. Now, it does not look like it's a terribly big safe, but it would be big enough to put anything like your passports, phones, or whatever you'd like to have in there. Don't think it's big enough. Might be big enough for a mini iPad. Okay, I love the closet. The closet is a walk-in closet. It's beautiful. Look at all this shelving in here. Obviously, we just got here. We haven't unpacked or anything. You've got your Royal Caribbean robes. You can put the suitcases up here after you've unpacked. It's just so much space. And I like the fact that you can walk in and see it. And then again, back here on the other side as you enter is the bathroom. The bathroom is really nice and beautiful. It is just one sink, but again, this is a junior suite. It is just one sink, and I will also say that in some of the other rooms we've traveled in, some of the shelving is on both sides of the sink. The shelving here is just right here on the right-hand side, but it is a lot of shelving to share. And we have the Salt and Breeze amenities. And of course, one of the beautiful things here in the junior suite is that you have a tub and shower combination. And of course, again, you have the Salt and Breeze amenities of shampoo, conditioner, and soap. So this is nice. I will remind everybody that there is a step down as you step down, or if you're coming in to the bathroom, and I'll show you the other way, it is a good little step up. So just in case that is a concern, remember there is a little bit of a step up. I also want to point out, I like to let everybody know where our muster station is for this room. The muster station is E4, deck 5, and it is located down on the Royal Promenade, and it is actually right next to guest services, so that you can see that. You can kind of see where we are here in the deck plan. So we're kind of in the middle, kind of close to one set of stairs, closer to the set of stairs that are on the right. It's very nice. Coming back out here, getting ready to take another look here at the room, and we will come out to the patio, the balcony. If you come out to the balcony, the one thing too in this room is that there are two windows. There's the balcony window, and there's this little side window too. So you have, brings in more light to the room, which is really nice. We just come out here to the balcony, and this is such a nice balcony. This is really nice. We are on the hump, so the hump out, so we have just a little bit extra space here on our balcony, but this is so nice. There's two chairs and a table here, beautiful place to sit down and have coffee in the morning, and two lounge chairs and plenty of space. Again, we are in Port Canaveral, and this is Allure of the Seas. Beautiful, beautiful views. We're looking out to the port. Beautiful weather. You can see the Disney Wish over there. In the back of the ship, can't even see because we're on that hump. And again, looking here, I'm kind of backing up to the corner of the balcony, and it's just so much space. Here, this is really a nice place. Really so big for two people, but it's got room for lots of others. And again, walking back into and see the view from the balcony of the room. Room is very beautiful. All right, so this is again a junior suite, Allure of the Seas. Room 12236.